Hello everyone, welcome from Code Village. Today in this video, you're gonna see three topics of Flutter. Firstly, the navigation dryer, and then showing Snackbar, and finally showing toast message. So let's get started. I have started a fresh project which contains main method, material app widget, and a stateful widget, and the widget contains absolutely nothing. So let's get started. For using navigation dryer, we have to use the scaffold widget. This scaffold widget also provides the app bar. Let's use it. App bar, title. Okay. Then scaffold provides a property which is dryer. Let's use it. A dryer widget. As you can see, our dryer, navigation dryer is created. As simple. Okay. Now inside navigation dryer, let's use some items. Firstly, let's use a navigation dryer header. For that, I'm going to use a list view widget. Inside the list view, I'm going to put the items one by one. Our first item is the navigation header. For this, user account's dryer header is a widget provided by Flutter. Okay. Inside this, let's use account name. For showing account name, let's use a text widget, and then account email, another text widget. Let's show some dummy email. Okay. Now let's see. Nice. Okay. Let's use a profile picture here. Current account picture. For showing account picture, let's use circle avatar. Circle avatar, child. Nice. And inside the circle avatar, let's use foreground color and background color. Background color, let's use white. Colors.white. And foreground color, nice. Okay. Now you may be wondering from where this color comes, this blue color comes. This is actually provides inside the material apps theme. You can theme data, we can change this color as well. Let's use theme data, and inside this we can specify a primary swatch color, colors dot this one. As you can see, color is changed. So this color is from the theme data. Okay. Now let's if you notice the Gmail app, there is an option to switch between accounts. Let's make UI like that Gmail app. Current account picture and other account picture, other accounts picture. Okay. Let's use a circle avatar again. Circle avatar. There it is. You can use many more. Okay. Now let's come to the list items. Let's use some items here. Okay. Inside the list view, let's create those items. User account ends here, and then for items, I like to use list style widget. List style, leading property, leading circle avatar, or just an icon. Okay, cycle avatar child icons dot home title home. Perfect. Let's use some more item. This is a dummy item. Let's use one more. Okay, now let's make this item functional. I mean, whenever I click it, I want to close the drawer. So let's do it. For that, let's use the on tab property, and here use navigator dot off context dot pop. Okay, it's working. Okay, now I haven't shown you yet the how to navigate between screen. Okay, I will make a separate video on how to use the navigator. Okay, as of now, let's see the see how to close this drawer functionally. Okay, now our first part is done, which is navigation drawer. Now let's use let's move to the second part, which is the Snackbar. For that, let's create buttons here as the body of the scaffold. Let's use a container. Material button. Put a color, dummy color here, a random color. This one. Text. Okay, let's. Our text is not that much visible. In other words, that's okay. I'm not going to show the property of text widget. Okay, now use another button. Another button. Let's wrap it for that. Let's wrap it with a column widget. Okay, so what is column widget? Inside column widget, we can put our widgets one after another vertically. Okay, so I'm going to use two material button. That's why I'm using a column widget here. So let's create another material button for showing toast message. Okay, now I want to make these buttons at the center. Now notice the point. For a column, the main axis is this one. What is the cursor? This one, I mean the vertical line. Okay, main axis is the vertical line and cross axis is the horizontal line. So I want to put these items at the center of the main axis. I mean center of the vertical line. So for this, let's use a property for column. Main axis alignment dot center. Yeah, it's at the vertical. Okay, now let's use the on pressed. Okay, now let's move to the part which is showing Snackbar. Let's create a separate method for that. show snake bar. Okay, for that we have to use scaffold dot of context. Now it needs a context, so use the context as the parameter. Build context. Okay, context dot show snake bar. Inside this, show snake bar widget, content, a text, and specify the duration for the snake bar. Okay. Okay, so we have set a snake bar for showing a message for 1 second. Okay, now let's call this method here, show snake bar, and pass the context. Now notice this won't work. See, this won't work. Why? Because we are passing the context of the widget which instantiated the scaffold, not the context of the child of that scaffold. Okay, we are passing the context of the widget that instantiated a scaffold. So to solve this problem, let's wrap this container with a builder. It takes an anonymous function. Context. Okay, and return this container. Okay, now it should work. Okay, it's working. So fine, our second part is done. Now let's move to the third part, which is showing the toast message. For that, let's create a separate method which is show toast, and it will take a string. Now for showing toast message, we have to take help from the third-party library. So for that, I'm using this library, Flutter Toast. For that, we have to add a dependency in our PubSpec YAML file. I will put the link in the description text. So navigate to the pubspec.yaml file and add the dependency. Okay, and make sure there is 2 space, 1 and 2. Okay, packages get dependencies. Okay, dependencies added. Now let's import the package. Import Flutter Toast, this one, and then create Flutter Toast dot show toast and specify the message that you want to show. Message. Okay, and then call this method from here. There it is. There is the toast message. Now there are several properties for this toast, like we can use background color, gravity, font size, text color, etc., etc. Let's see one property now. Let's use a gravity and toast gravity dot center. Let's use this at the center of the widget, center of the screen. Nice, it is at the center. So you can customize it by using background color, text color, and other things. I'm not showing those. So this is the third part of our video, which is done. So that's all. We have shown we have seen how to use the navigation dryer, how to use the Snackbar, and how to use the toast message. Also we saw how to use column. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Have a nice day.